Hey guys, I just got this great air purifier from LEVOIT called the Vital 100S. Let's take a closer look. So this is the 3-stage HEPA filter by LEVOIT. The rest, we have some accessories in this box here. Charging cable. Instruction manual. And here's the device itself. So yeah, let's go see how this thing works. It can purify a 222 square foot room 5 times per hour and over 1,000 square foot room at 1 times per hour. So it's perfect for any bedrooms, offices, kitchens, and living rooms in your house, as it helps to trap airborne allergens that can cause congestion, coughing, and other allergy symptoms. So this is also perfect for any pet owners, as it has a preset pet mode that cleans the air while conserving energy to keep working throughout the day and eliminating pet dander and shedded hair. And thanks to its U-shaped air intake, it effectively traps airborne pet fur and large particles with ease, while also being silent while working. It has a 3-stage filtration system that lasts longer than any other air filter, with a washable pre-filter screen to help extend the machine's lifespan. It sports H13 true HEPA filters that can trap up to 99% of airborne particles such as dust, pollen, and smoke, while high-efficiency activated carbon filters help neutralize any odors or fumes in the air. Would you like the air purifier to run at a specific time, or have even more control? Well, by connecting it to the VSync app, you can create a detailed schedule for when it's in use, or set up timers, and you can adjust the fan speed and other preferences such as with the auto mode or sleep mode. You can also receive real-time air quality updates on the air purifier's display screen or in the free VSync app, so you can adjust the fan speed accurately or just let auto mode do it for you. The app can even connect to third-party voice assistants such as Amazon Alexa for easier controls. And it has a light detection feature so that it will automatically turn off the display lights and limit auto mode to the quietest fan speeds when the room gets dark. So you can always get a good night's sleep, and it helps to save on energy. So yeah, I definitely recommend you guys check out the LEVOIT Vital 100S. Check out the links below.